10 minutes? Oh, okay. All right. Bye. Ooh, we got a taco lady across the street. So we're gonna do some quick installations of roof wings on the car right now. So I'm too lazy to go wash my car since it's got a bottle of water right here. Pretty ghetto. I haven't washed my car in like 2 weeks. What the hell is that? Some little detail stuff. Now we've got some little alcohol wipes. It's pretty kind of ugly, but it does the job, I guess. It's kind of decent. Right here it's kind of popping out. I have to kind of push it back a little bit. So, yep, the roof wings, it's pretty ugly, I guess you can say. I should have got the carbon fiber one.
I ain't expected it to drop down like that.
Just drop down like a hydraulic. Just raise up the car a little bit. It's not scraping that much anymore. And now we gotta fix this diffuser. Been lagging on it. We've been lagging for 2 weeks, huh?
On what?
Raising up the car a little bit, and now I have a little hole right here. You haven't seen that hole yet, huh?
No.
It's pretty bad. This diffuser is starting to crack too. It's from its pressure or something.
Yeah, it's fiberglass. That's why I didn't want you to buy polyurethane. Polyurethane is this material. It's flexible, it don't really break. That's the material they want you to buy.
You don't have that option though.
Yeah. What you think, man? It's not scraping, and even though that little piece is hanging, That's from that piece that's hanging. It's actually good. It's from that piece that's hanging.
Yeah, I guess it's better then.
Oh, way better. I can see the wheel cap.
Yeah, you make the whole big one.
Look at it. That's why you need to wash it to cover the gap. You don't have a washer, do you?
Yeah, I should have some.
That's why it was flimsy. I didn't know it had that. Look at that shit. Stealing my money.
Oh, that shit. It looks like it's kind of bent. Yeah.
It's because I can loosen it up a little bit,
Yeah.
but it's because there's nothing here. Usually there's 1, 2, 3, 4.
As you can see, it's crooked. It's way off.
What are you really looking at to make it look crooked? Because you gotta remember, this is gonna be longer.
Well, we look at the bottom. I guess we're going by here. This paper. Maybe that's why. But yeah, man, we got tap it 5 times in different cars. They're all crooked too.
I mean, does it look crooked to you?
Yeah, man, you don't see it.
No, I don't.
The second B is higher.
The only way to measure it right, you see this, is to make it touch this, and that right here to touch that, and that's how you know it's perfect.
Yeah, the D is off. You can see it.